Hello, what's up guys, and this is Kevin from Crypto Guy News, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can do some light trading or how you can switch some coins back and forth on BITSGAP our platform. So the BITSGAP trading bot, if we go down for the trades that we made last time, and we see that there is a couple of bots that are set up. Some have set up in 1 hour and 30 minutes ago, and that's done me like $165. And this one is about 1 hour and 20 minutes and has done me $16. And this one is actually out of range. Let me just show you what is being out of range. So when you click there, so you find that everything was going on fine. And if it's down like this, so like I showed you in the previous videos, so if it goes down past our last price, our lower price, we see that it doesn't make any trade. But if it's come into the grid, it will make trade when it comes to the grid and when it's also going up, because we actually set up the trailing up. This is now the trailing up. It will go when it buys and sells when going up, then we'll also make some profits. But we are passed within the lower price that we had set. So you see that this one is 0.752 and we are currently on 0.43. so that's why the bot is saying that, or the bot is indicating that we are out of range. So we are not actually making some profits here, or we are not actually buying and selling while we are on this state. So like as you can see, we are not making anything because the bot is now down. But when it comes to the grids over here, that's when we'll make some profits. So for those who are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and also like this video. And if you want to know how you can set up the bots so that the bot can trade for you 24/7 like this, then you go to the previous videos. I'll also link some in the description below so that you can watch those videos and also set up your own bot like you. I'm quite happy with this one here, because within 1 hour and 36 minutes I've done $171. You see, so that's huge. But today in this video I'm going to show you how you can switch coins, or how you can do some light trading. And let's go to the trading menu over here. And today this is I have some coins down here. As you can see, I have some coins down here, and some are in trades, like this one here, this one, and this one. All these are in trades, and whilst these ones are not in trade. So that this one is the one that I want to convert to another coin. So as you can see, the ANC, some of my money is in ANC, and I want just to convert that 9,000. I have 9,962 ANC coin, and that's worth $1,300. And I also have 102.8633 Lazio coin, and that accumulates to 229 USD. And I also have a USDT of 236, and I also have AKRO 70,142, which totals to 324 USD. So I just want to convert the ANC to USDT so that I can have more USDT here, so that I can clean the ANC that I have here. So let's go to it. So you come here, you go to the trading menu here, and then you say, or you write ANC. You write here ANC to USDT. And then what do I do? So what happens here is I do have, if I want to sell ANC to convert it to USDT, I just sell it here. But if I want to buy USDT to ANC, I just come here to buy. But now I want to sell ANC to get me USDT so that I can clean up this ANC down here. So what I do is just that I select the pair of coin, and this is what I want. If I could have, I wanted the ANC versus Bitcoin. If I want Bitcoin, then I will choose this pair. But if I want USDT, then I'll choose this pair. So now because I want USDT, that's why I've chosen this pair over here. So because I want to sell the ANC to get the USDT, so that I don't want this ANC over here. I just want to convert everything from ANC to USDT over here. So after choosing the pair of coin, I just write sell. I just click the button sell here. There is buy and there's sell. And what do I want? I just want 100% of the ANC. Okay, that is what it is here. 9,962 ANC. I'm just converting it to actually USDT. So I sell the ANC. What happens? Oh, this is the bid. So yeah, no problem. I choose 100%. I sell ANC. And actually ANC is gone. So you see I have 0 ANC. But in USDT now I have 1,539. So my ANC has been converted. You see I have 0 USD here, but I have some dust of ANC. So that has been converted to USDT. Now at the same point, I want BTC. Let's take for example that from this Lazio over here, I want this Lazio to convert it to BNB, which is the Binance coin. So I just come here, I just switch this to from Lazio to BUSD. Okay, so just click there and then bid it and then do 100% of Lazio to get the BUSD, and then sell. This is the Binance coin, the stable Binance coin, so that I want everything here to be a stable Binance coin, because actually I do not have I have less BUSD here. So if I sell and also do a sell order here, everything is going to be filled and order has been placed. So when I come here and check on the Lazio, I have 0 Lazio down here. Okay, but I have more BUSD here. Okay, so as you can see now from this, let me just check it here. And I actually didn't have Lazio in anything here, so everything has been done correctly. So I've sold here, I've sold the Lazio that I had. So it's I have 0 USD here as Lazio, and I have 0 USD as ANC. So I also want to convert this AKRO because it is not in trade. The only ones that I have in trade is the two. So this one is in trade, this one is in trade, this one is also in trade, but this one is not in trade. So I just want to convert the AKRO to another coin. So let's go up, and then let's just go AKRO to also USDT. Okay, and then I do that, I do it 100%, and then I sell it. When the order is filled over here, I'll just get like, I have 0 AKRO. Okay, I have 0 AKRO, I have 0 Lazio. It is 0 point, which is not more much, but this one even cannot even be 0 USD. It cannot surpass the video. It cannot go over 0 USD. So I have 0 USD on Lazio, AKRO, and ANC, but I have now more of USDT and BUSD. Okay, so everything has been taken to BUSD, and what you should also understand is that we have something like BUSD here and also BUSD here. So this one has been taken to the trades, has been taken to this trade here, and the trade is now going on. So you see that last time it was 161 and now it is 181. This one is going too fast, and this is what we should you should make in your bots when you are trading crypto with the bot. So I just wanted to show, in this video just wanted to show you that how you can do some switching back and forth from one coin to the other, because sometimes you want to trade a bot using the BUSD and you don't have a BUSD in, here, so that you can trade with it. So you can just come here and you choose you first of all choose the exchange that you want, and then after choosing the exchange that you want, then you choose this is the exchange that you want to trade in. So whenever you are putting bots or setting up bots, this is now the exchange that you'll choose when putting up the bot. Okay, so you choose up the exchange first, and then go to the coin pair that you want. Maybe you want to change, if you have some inch to USD, then you change it here. But if you want to use BUSD to buy, then we go here. Let's take for example that I want back the Lazio. Okay, so I just come here and then write Lazio. Okay, then I want to use all the BUSD that I have in my account to buy Lazio. So I just come here, buy, and then I do this 100%, and then I buy Lazio. The order is filled. So what I'll get here, I'll get 0 USD or even 1. Okay, because that is the is just small amount, and then I have this Lazio this much. So you can do back and forth selling and buying. So you should know that the coin in the left is what you use to buy the coin. The coin on left, you buy the coin on right. And if you want to sell, you sell this coin to get this. So you buy this using this, or you sell this to get this. Now it what actually happened here. So that's when you want to do some light trading, or you want to switch some coins back and forth, so that you can do a pair that you need, or you can set up a bot for. So if you're new, click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.